And then maybe I will kwan foforɔ a wobɛtumi apply for monetization ɛwɔ Facebook. New monetization policies a Facebook de aba a wobɛ enjoy bonuses, in-stream earnings, ɛna Reels earnings. The only thing is that we follow me step by step. I'm a child. Your phone also. The new way. The only thing you need your email, Facebook link, and your other social media link. Everything my YouTube, everything my TikTok, Instagram. Obianke. And Facebook benefit the way I perform that other platforms and also. So even Facebook won't perform here, now qualifying one or be monetized. That's it. High tech pro GH. More even if you subscribe or my
screen phone with our mobile phone. So let's go to Facebook. Select Facebook app. This is my Facebook app. So this is my Facebook page. So I come to search. I will type Facebook for creators. I will search. So I will type this Facebook for creators at the top here. So I will
past year.
down.
My name.
Yes. How to apply for monetization the new way. So yes. Let me check the message. Let me check this. And this one message. Where is this message? I think it will be here. Yes, here's the message. Yes, iTunes. Today we are introducing Facebook content monetization, a new program that make it easy for creators to earn money on Facebook with this beta launch. We are merging in-screen ads, hands off on Reels and performance bonus into one, so creators can earn from more content format with just one program, plus the payout remains the same. You will have access to send profile, so this is the message. So we'll click this link, we'll click on this link. Or we click interested. So it will come here. You type your email here. Email. Copy your Facebook account link here. So let me paste. And you click other social media accounts also here. So I decided to use my YouTube. After you have pasted them there, you click let's do this. Let us do this. So they are telling me I didn't fill this. A Facebook link. Paste it. Do paste your hair. So I will also paste my other social media platform to make them YouTube account on the yes. Take project and the way to make pasting over her. And also near my YouTube channel and the Facebook for verify say even Facebook account and perform well. I'm better check how your other social media account is performing. So let's type away. Let us do this. Click it. Thank you for your interest in the Facebook content monetization beta. So after Hano's webby, the Facebook pay review, so qualifier, you are good to go. Thank you. Working as well. That was his work.